Christmas Day. Chad and Pepper are just going back over to Midge's for their Christmas dinner. What is he doing?
Taking a rock.
Oh. I just thought I'd come out and get some ice video.
Show her the house and the lines on the house.
Oh yeah, okay.
Just walk over here.
Look at the lines, the hydro lines. Yeah, I know. They're lying on the house.
Oh, that's just the cable. That's just the cable TV touching that.
Oh, is it? Oh. That one branches down.
That's just the cable TV and the telephone touching the house.
Oh, is it?
The hydro's fine.
Good.
Which one is it?
No, I wouldn't hit it, Dad.
Is that power?
No, the power's the top one.
Oh yeah.
That's your hydro and cable.
This
Or,
here?
sorry, that's your telephone, cable,
Oh yeah.
and something else.
Yeah.
Miscellaneous.
I'm walking on top of the snow.
See
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Here's the birch tree out front. We got about a couple centimeters of snow this morning, so I thought I'd come out and show you how pretty everything is out front here. That's the front tree in the corner. Branches right down. I'm going under the tree.
Oh, this just feels like solid ice out
I
here.
know. All the way to the ground. Let's get close. You can see how much ice is on these.
You see this branch up here? On that tree over there?
Oh yeah, that one's broken, hanging down on the driveway, the next door neighbor's driveway. Trying to watch where I walk here. It's pretty, it's very pretty. Careful, Dad. It's not that important that we clean up right now. Lots of branches are down over there. Looks like the whole side of that tree came down. Oh, and there was tons of geese out back in the field when we were having lunch, but they're gone now. I was gonna see how close I could get to them. Very nice. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Whoa. Oh yeah, I'm done now. Anyway, I thought I'd better come out and get some ice pictures, ice video. Talk to you later.